Welcome everyone to today's yoga class. So let's begin, starting by laying down on the mat, gently pulling the knees in towards the chest and releasing the knees over towards the left side. You can cactus the arms, taking a few expansive breaths. Slowly bring the knees back in towards the chest and over the other side. Bringing the knees back in towards the chest, gently planting the feet on the mat, lifting up the left foot, bringing it in towards the body. Gently release, switching sides. Releasing the right foot down onto the mat, lifting up the left foot, placing it onto the right knee, placing the hands behind the leg, gently pull in towards the body. Gently release, switching sides. Gently release, placing both feet back onto the mat, lifting the left foot, holding onto the big toe if it's available, bringing the leg out towards the left side, keeping the right hand on the hip just for stability. Slowly bringing the leg back in towards the body and releasing down. We'll switch sides. Left hand comes onto the left hip and bringing the right leg out towards the right side. Gently release, bring the legs back down towards the mat, and placing the soles of the feet to touch, lifting up the hands, placing them above the head, and we'll just stay here for the next few breaths. And thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time.